Chinese don't do arm workout. We chop with this heavy cleaver every single damn day. So in China, before we prep our meal, we usually sit down and have a sip of tea.
Oh.
So you see? No, I live in New York City. I don't have the time. This is more like it. So we're going to make some Chinese hot pot today using some super common kitchenware that you can find in a lot of Asian households that I frankly think you should try. Or not, if you want to keep it basic. So I swear to Aquafina that every single Chinese household has one of this. If you're Chinese and you don't, I need to talk to you. Or ask my mom. Hi mom! Hi, so I have a question for you. How do you feel about chef's knives and Chinese cleavers?
呢隻小刀都係俾你咁樣嘅細蚊仔用㗎，我唔中意用呢隻小刀，我中意用大刀，因為大刀切餸更加易啲，更加慳力啲。
The hot pot is ready. Wow. Now, this is not an eating ASMR video. However, here's the thing. This hot pot with a divider is for all the adventurous foodies out there who just can't get enough with those like one pot pasta kind of thing. Guess what? You can create a one pot 5-course meal with this. Here are some examples. Hot pot and bubble tea. Pasta and wine. Salad and cucumber infused water. Chips and salsa and tequila. So in all seriousness, in Japan it can be used for shabu shabu, and in China it can be used for huoguo. And having this divider in the middle is for you to have two flavors at once. So if you're a rebel, you can get super creative with this. And if you're lazy like me, then it's just easy. Cheers. Now, be a decent human being and clean up after you finish your meal. And if you care about nature and environment, and if you want to enjoy this process of doing your dishes, you need to stop using regular sponge. LUFFA sponge is so versatile. So my parents literally packed 10 of this when I moved to the city, and they still mail me some every once in a while as if there's no Flushing or Chinatown here in the city. And they can be used for so many things, like I said, like you can use it to exfoliate your skin, to clean your body and your soul. Yes, we kind of all need this for our soul. So don't forget about the oil residue in your dish, and you can solidify all this dirty oil with this powder, which can be super commonly found in Japan. Just add the powder into the oil, let it sit until it's solidified, and then you can throw the hardened cooking oil into the trash can instead of dumping it in your sink. Now, to wrap up this video and this meal, I'm going to have some tea. Tea is very important in Asian culture, blah blah, y'all know this. And my dad used to always just slouch on the sofa after the meal and then drink tea with this tea set that he carries with him everywhere he goes. Well, I have my soda. I should do better. So don't be me, be like my dad. You can find your inner peace this way. Just enjoying the tea with this, and I guess peace and love. Also, due to budget, the bubble tea, wine, tequila in this video are actually chocolate milk, cranberry juice, and water. I'm so sorry, I hope you're not offended. If you're mad, just maybe have some tea with that mini tea set. It's going to calm you down, I hope. Peace and love. Oops.